This is my guy. I called him a long time ago, bought a book from him. He was responding to somebody, I believe, but it says $10,000 a month. You're broke.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
$10,000 a month. 10,000 divided by, let's just say 5 weeks. That's $2,000 a week. I'm not gonna lie, that's nice. But you can still be broke, especially if you're having fun, not just handling business. And the way that inflation is being taught to me, or I'm learning it, yeah, you still broke. But anyways, man, $20,000 a month means basic needs met. So to me, $20,000 a month, that's nice. But basic needs met means all the bills are on auto pay, groceries are delivered, almost like as soon as it runs out, like with a smart fridge. I don't know. I mean, I guess you're just not worrying. Moving on. $40,000 a month. Upward mobility begins. $40,000 a month. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. What? How y'all looking at that? How would you feel? Not what would you do? How would you feel? Man, but upward mobility begins. I'm guessing you can just do other stuff. Start making more money with your money. Real estate pops in my head, but I feel like you should have more. But $40,000 a month is a lot. What's that a year? 40 times 12? It is. 40 times 12 is over $1 million. I'm stupid. It's 480,000. That's almost $500,000. Imagine having that from working and a side gig, not even having a business. This is when you start a business. $100,000 a month. Graduate cash flow gain. So for sure, like real estate, maybe some other purchase you made, stocks and bonds, I guess. We'll start kicking back money out. Like what's that called? Dividends. Add in asset accumulation gain. That's what I said, asset. Anyways. So I saved that because, you know, I'm an adult. I guess I should start thinking different.
Yeah.